Hi, welcome back to third video of chapter 5. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about positioning a text box, to move a text box, to resize a text box and pre-formatted text box. Previous class I explained about filling the text box with color, giving an outline to a text box and changing the shape of the text box. Now I'm going to explain one by one so that you can understand. Just going to open the Word document and here you can see practically. Now let us see. Positioning a text box. What is the meaning of the positioning a text box? First of all, just see how you can insert a text box in the document. First, click on the insert menu, then go to text box icon. Here you can see the text box icon, and once you click over the text box icon, see here the option draw text box. Once click on the draw text box, then you can draw here a simple text box. So this is a very simple step, and just going to write down. I'm going to write down the text. You have learned how to formatting the text. So once you select the text and you can see the formatting text, just bold, you can do it bold, italics, underline. You can also uh, increase the text size. This way you can make it larger or you can make it smaller. You can also change the text color, right? And here you can see this is the, just click over the border. Now you can position, you can just wherever you want to put, you can place it top left, top right, bottom right, any position you where you can just put, drag and drop. So this way it's help you to formatting a text in a better. So positioning, I hope you are able to understand the positioning. This is a very simple steps. You can follow. First step, you just need to click on the border of the text box. Here you can see the border of the text box. Right? Border of the text box. Now, second one is the click on the text box tool. Tab present in the top. Okay. And third one is click on the position, and fourth, select any option. Okay. So this is a very simple steps. Here you can see drawing tools, format, and you can also fill the shape fill, shape outline, shape effect. Okay. So format tab, you can see the format. Okay. Text box, here you can see the tools. We have already, you are able to manage. This is the format, and once you click over the insert options, simply you can insert a text box icon. Once you click over there, right? And format, you can select a shape. Here you can simply see different shapes styles, and You can select any options once you are going to select this is you can see the borders. Once you click, you change and you can select the background and move. You can simply move the to move a text. How we can click on the text box, move the mouse over here. The is here you can see is here you can use move the border. Pointer becomes cross with the arrows to each end and looks like this is this. You can just third options here, click and drag the text box to desired location on the page. So where you want to move, you can simply move to the moving is simple and you can place where you want to. Okay. And resizing. Now we will learn how to resize. Resizing to resize the text means first we need to, this is the text box and just going to resize the text box. Resize the text box, click on the text box, click and drag one of the sizing handle on the corners or the side of the text box until it is the desired one. So you just see here the corner. We are just I'm just going to shorten this now you can see. And this way we can enlarge this text box as per your requirement. You can change, see here the arrow sign. Once we are going to move, can change the shape of the text box. So this is resize, how to resize the text. First, click on the corner of the text box and once you can see here the arrow mark and just need to drag. This way you can up, down, where you can increase this way and you can adjust the text inside. Right. So moving and how to move a text is very simple and resize it. To resize a text box, you simply need to drag this. Now another important point here, pre-formatted text box. Pre-formatted text box, I'm just going to show you how you can use the pre-formatted text box. First, click on the insert option here. We have two ways to use text box. Just going to delete this option. So now it will be this. We have first go to the insert option, then click on the text box and here you can see the different built-in pre-formatted text box. Right. See here, I'm just going to click here. You can see here you can use the built-in formatting here, right? And you can use the existing one and do modification here on. Again, I'm just going to show you the another various. You have a built-in. Just go click on the insert menu, then text box, and select the anyone contrast, beautiful side, decorative codes, grid pull codes, various option here. Once you click, you can see here going to you can just manage. You can delete this one or you can use. Okay. So this way you can use the pre-formatted. It looks better. Now we have a formatted. We can change the text inside and make it presentable. Right. and you can just do the modification inside text. It is easy to manage. You can just change, you can write down, or you can also enlarge the text box, and positioning you can also place where you want. So this is a very simple steps, and now I hope you are able to positioning a text box, to move a text box, resize a text box, and pre-formatted text box. So pre-formatted text box help you to select the various design available, and you can use going to insert menu, then text box options, and a text box option, and select the insert, then text box, and you can select the simple text, alphabet codes, many more options you have. You can select as per your requirement, and you can also set the positioning of the text. You can make the modification here. You can also change the color, right? Various options available. I hope it is clear to all of you, and now able to understand the positioning, to move a text box, to resize and pre-formatted text. Thanks for watching the video.